How to fix Instagram broadcast channel not showing. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram application and get logged into your Instagram account. Now tap onto your profile on your bottom right. Now in case your broadcast channel option is not showing, you have to switch your account to a professional account. Tap on three bar icon. Here scroll below. And under For Professionals, tap on Account Type and Tools. Then tap on Switch to Professional Account. Then tap on Continue. Give it any name that you would like. Now, once you have done that, tap on to Continue. Refresh your page. Now try checking your chat. If it's still not working for you, then you have to contact Instagram support team. Tap on three bar icon again. Scroll at the bottom of the page and under More Info and Support, tap on Help. Then tap on Report a Problem. Tap on Include and Continue, and here simply type in that Instagram is not showing your broadcast channel option and you would like to see that option as soon as possible. If you have any kind of screenshot that you would like to attach, then tap on Upload sign and tap on Send. And within 24 hours, you will get a reply from Instagram and that will fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.